What's up, my name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. Alright, so in this footwork video, we're going to learn a 4-step with a high hook or a figure 4. Before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you would like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today. Hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so for this video, you will need to understand how to do your basic 4 steps. So if you don't know how to do that, be sure to check out my tutorial I did on that before coming to this one. Alright, so we're going to take our basic 4 step and add a little bit of a variation to create a little bit more style to it. Okay, so originally with our 4 step, all we did was use that sweep and stick our leg out. So the only addition we're going to add now is instead of just having our leg out, we're going to hook it on top of our knee, or you can think of it as a figure 4. Okay, so basically I'm trying to get to this position. Okay, so again, it's kind of up to you how far you want to make this. You can make it really straight, you can make it really bent, it's totally up to you. So the very first step, as I'm sweeping, I'm trying to get that leg on top of it. So I'm going here. Okay, so from here, I go back to original here, and then now for this one, instead of just going straight leg here, I'm also trying to hook it up here. Okay, so from this position, I'm going here, and then I'm going to switch my feet back. So your figure 4s or your high hooks are happening on all your little hops to the front or the hop to the back. So you go hook, land, hook, back, hook, land, hook, back. So let's try that. So 6, 7, 8. This goes hook, land, hook, back, hook, land, hook, back. Alright, so once you have that side, let's try to go on the other side. So same thing, as I'm jumping to the back, I'm trying to get to this position. Okay, so again, you can be straight leg, be bent, so up to you what stylistically you want me to make it look. Okay, so as my left leg sweeps, I go hook, then from here I switch my feet. Now from here, again, this foot, I'm trying to get to this position. So as I hop forward, I'm trying to get to that hook, and then switch my foot. So I'm going hook, land, hook, back, hook, land, hook, back. Alright, so once you have that down, let's put this together with some counts. So again, I'm just going to use whole counts. Again, you speed it up, slow down, it's totally up to you. For this one, every step will be a whole count. And then as I reverse, I want to just tap. Instead of switch my foot, I'm just going to tap around just so I can come back around. Okay, so you want to take 8 count one way, 8 count the other way. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor. Like this video, subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this one, it's really up to you how far you want your leg to be out or bent. That's kind of like a stylistic choice for yourself. And also all we're doing is we're adding that little hook as we go to the back and travel to the front. So again, think the pattern in your head is going hook, reset, hook, reset, hook, reset, hook, reset. Alright, so I'd love to see you practicing and training hard. So go ahead and post up a video and make sure you tag at Darren R. Wong in it. I'll be sure to give you props, give you some shoutouts, and good things like that. Alright, so again, make sure you like this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you never miss out on a video. And go ahead and comment down below what you liked about it, what you learned from it. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.